Hello guys, you are most welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mann-Whitney U test, or what you call Wilcoxon rank sum test in SPSS. Now remember, Mann-Whitney U converts scores into ranks, then it compares mean rank of each group so that we can either reject or accept our null hypothesis. And also remember, Mann-Whitney U is a non-parametric equivalent to two-sample t-test, and we use it whenever our data is not normally distributed, and also we should use ordinal or continuous data. Now today we are having our test, that is, we are having test A and test B. We are seeing the scores the learners got, and we need to analyze whether there is a significant difference between test A scores and test B scores. And from our eyes, what we can see here, we can see 100 in test A, then we can see some 23 in test B. Maybe we may be convinced to show to tell others that indeed test B was performed poorly compared to test A. But now what we do in SPSS after entering your data and labeling, because now here 1 is meaning test A, and 2 is coded to mean test B, as you can see here. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to select analyze, then we go straight to non-parametric test, because I already tested the data is not normally distributed. Then we select legacy dialog. From legacy dialog, we go and choose 2 independent samples. After choosing 2 independent samples, we are having test, then scores, as you can see them here. Then we have the test variable list window, and also have the grouping variable. The grouping variable, that is the factor combining both, and that is test. I will drag the test into this. Then there is what we call defining groups. Now groups is from 1 then to code 2, like that. Continue. Yes, click continue. Then we drag our scores into the test variables, like that. Then you select options. Options, select descriptives, then click continue. Then test type, if you didn't select Mann-Whitney U, you come here and tick it, that is just select it, then click OK. Now after clicking OK, we shall get the output. The output is showing us that scores for test A were 10. There were 10 learners who did test A, and also 10 learners who did test B. And we are seeing the mean rank for test A is 14.4, and this is 6.6. And from what we can see here, we can see that they are different. Then we come to what we call the test statistics. Test statistics, we are seeing that Mann-Whitney U scores is giving us 11, and the Z is negative 2.965. Then we are seeing the SIG, or the p-value two-tailed, is showing us 0.003, which is below 0.05. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis that there is no significant difference in the scores of test A and test B. It means that the scores of test A and the scores of test B are totally different from one another, and they are varying significantly. That is, the learners overscored test A compared to test B, as we can see there. Because if we go back to our data, we were seeing that test A, we had 80, 100, 93, 89, 75. Then for test A, as we can see here, that the scores were not really good. And Mann-Whitney, you remember, it deals with what you call mean ranks. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.